prop guy needs to work on that. Anyway, Jason, welcome back, audience. Jason, so I hear that you're quite a bit of a songwriter out there.
Yeah, let me change guitars before you get...
Go right ahead and change guitars. Ladies and gentlemen, he's going to change guitars. Thank you.
Change hats, too.
So, what kind of songs you write over there, Jason?
I write songs about everything.
So you got something for us tonight?
Life in general.
Life in general.
Life in general.
So you have anything for us tonight there, Jason?
Well, actually, what I have is something my dad wrote.
Your dad wrote? And what's this little piece called?
Well, it's called 1995.
1995, and
it's about all the wonderful things you can buy on television.
Buy on television. Well, if you're ready for us, Jason, ladies and gentlemen, here's Jason Tilton in 1995.
The other day on TV, I saw a wonderful thing. It can stir up paint and tenderize meat, or double as a sewing machine. It can fix your roof or fix a flat. Man, oh man alive, you can have it for the low, low price of $19.95. You can gain weight and you can get skinny. You can build muscles where you didn't have any for a nickel less than a $20 bill. $19.95. You can get old records or first-run movies to go on your VCR. A miracle knife for guitar lessons or wiper blades for your car. A hair restorer or a tummy sizer. All the good things in life. Just call that 1-800 number and pay that low, low price. You can gain weight and you can get skinny. You can build muscles where you didn't have any for a nickel less than a $20 bill. $19.95. Now the price of cars is just too high and homes are out of sight. But the things they sell on TV are always priced just right. They never hit your wallet hard. Just put it on your credit card, and in 4 to 6 weeks it arrives for just $19.95. You can gain weight and you can get skinny. You can build muscles where you didn't have any for a nickel less than a $20 bill. $19.95. $19.95. $19.95.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, Jason Shelton in 1995. Oh, coming up a little later on in the show, we're going to have a little Garth and Clint and a man by the name of Dr. Dan Dinkle. I think you might have saw him when I ran upstairs. We'll have him a little bit later on. But I think it comes this time in the show, Daryl, that I need to ask the audience a serious question.
I don't know. That could be a scary situation.
Well, brace yourselves out there. Do you all like country music? I think that was pretty lame. I'm going to ask that once again.
Maybe they like rock music better or something.
I don't know. Do you all like country music? Well, ladies and gentlemen, special guest stars for tonight. Please welcome Garth and Clint.
What do you say when it's over? Don't know if I should say anything at all. One day we're rolling in the clover. Next thing you know, we take the fall. Still I think about the years since I first met you, and the way it might have been without you here. Well, I don't know if words for me can still upset you, but I've just gotta make this memory stand clear. No, I'm leaving here a better man, knowing you this way. Things I couldn't do before, now I think I can. And I'm leaving here a better man. Guess I always knew I couldn't hold you, but I'd never be the one to set you free. Just like some old nursery rhyme your mama told you, you still believe in some old meant to be. I know I'm leaving here, better man, knowing you this way. Things I couldn't do before, now I think I can. And I'm leaving here, better man. No, I'm leaving here, better man, knowing you this way. Things I couldn't do before, now I know I can. And I'm leaving here, a better man. Leaving here, a better man.
Yeah.
Why don't you guys sing another one?
You know, Garth, I'm not nervous anymore.
Me neither.
Hey, Garth,
What
got
you
any
got?
friends in low places?
I do.
I bet you do.
Blame it all on my roots. I showed up in boots and ruined your black tie affair. The last one to know, the last one to show, I was the last one you thought you'd see there. And I saw the surprise and the fear in his eyes when I took his glass of champagne. I toasted you, said, honey, we may be through, but you'll never hear me complain. 'Cause I got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues away. And I'll be okay. Hey, I'm not big on social graces. Think I'll slip on down to the